matapos mo na yung program, I think sa Canada, parang they're allowed to stay for a couple of months or a year para makapaghanap ng mag-i-sponsor sa kanila. Then if not, then they have to return to the Philippines. And yes, ang ganda siguro pakinggan na nakapagtapos ka, you study abroad, you went to Canada or to the US to go for your program, whatever it is, bachelor's, undergraduate, or master's degree. But the thing is, you're looking for a pathway for permanent residency. Yun yung hinahanap mo yung PR eh. Kasi pag nag-spend ka na ng ganong amount of money and you already, for example, myself, I already taste what it feels like to be, living in the US, you don't want it to go home anymore. How will you go back to the Philippines if right here, for example, ang pwede mo palang kitain dito, you could earn 100,000 pesos to 300,000 pesos to, I'm converting it to Philippine peso para sa mga nanonood, a month. And paano ka, pagbalik mo sa Pilipinas, magkano ang sweldo? 20,000 pesos a month? 30,000 pesos? 40,000 pesos? Let's just say 50,000 pesos. Pero the thing is, 50,000 pesos, meron bang ganun? Comment down below. Unless kapag ka professional worker ka na, skilled worker ka, or meron kang special capability na makapag-earn ng ganong money. But here in the US, I have to say, when I moved here in the US, it opened so many multiple doors of opportunity para sa akin. Tapos na-discover ko, pwede palang kumita ng ganitong pera. I remember, lagi kong kinukwento sa mga sisi natin. Nakapag-ipon ako ng 1,000,000 over the last pesos, no? I'm not bragging or anything about that because my goal at that time, I wanted to save money. Nakapag-ipon ako ng 1,000,000 pesos over the 6 months nung nagpunta ako dito sa US and when I started earning money. As in, hindi ko ginalan yung 1,000,000 pesos na yun. But of course, wala na, naubos na yun, no? Kasi you buy this, you buy that, naubos na kung saan. But for the first 6 months ko, nung kumikita na ako ng pera, ang goal ko at that time, when watch my old video, laptop, isang tsinelas, at laptop, isang tsinelas, meron pa akong isang binili nun eh. Yun lang. Tapos hindi ko in-spend yung pera ko. Because I was thinking about if there is a emergency, pwede kong mahugot yun. So, paano ba ito, mga sisi? That's why Facebook research is the key.